You know, a lot has changed in the publishing industry in the last 15 years since I've been publishing nonfiction books. First came the rise of self-publishing, which sounded like a good idea at first. It actually removed the barrier between author and publishers because the publishers had complete control over what readers could learn and enjoy from books. But it also opened the field to sloppy, substandard books that were obviously do-it-yourself books. These authors didn't hire a professional designer or editor or proofreader to give their work that professional shine. In fact, every year, 1 million self-published books are released. And even though the author may spend thousands of dollars to produce it, it really won't cut it on the market. And now, what do we have? We have AI, which some people have turned to write their book. There's a lot of ways to use AI as a support mechanism, but writing your book really isn't a valid use of AI. I know a man who wrote 15 books using AI in one weekend, but what kind of quality do you think those books offered? Writing a book is really a great idea if you want to share your message, elevate your status, and create a lasting legacy. But what you actually want is a high quality book that will stand shoulder to shoulder on the market with any other professionally published book. Why spend all that time and money to self-publish when you could work with an experienced professional who will take you all the way from your idea to writing to editing to publishing to marketing and distributing your book worldwide? If that describes you, I'd love to chat with you and show you how you can become a distinguished author and publish a professional book product that will make you proud. There's a link up above, and you can schedule a call with me.